Hey, good morning everybody, welcome back. Saturday in the shop today. Been quite a while since I had time to film a video. End of the year last year was just a hectic, busy time. And I truthfully didn't feel like working on too many of my personal projects. So anyway, we are mid-January now. I'm gonna try and get some motivation back. And the plan for today is to get the frame for the aluminum bobber welded up and hopefully out of this frame jig. So we'll see how the day goes, but that's my plan. So I'm gonna get to welding.
It was healthy, but man, the parts was beyond bizarre. And Elvis always has to find where it came from.
What's he still shitting?
So I'm sitting on the floor.
No, Tom was shit.
Tom's shitting. He's got to go right to the hole and sniff to find out where the orders and smell is. Huh?
Did you get into the dog?
I may have by accident. No, he's good now. He's all done with that. But he did get a hold of some plants in the yard yesterday, so I don't know what that means.
You gotta watch him with them frogs too.
Oh, the frogs. I got a frog ejection unit.
There you go.
My pooper scooper, I just walk up and go, then I walk over the fence and go,
Fling them?
fling them, yep.
I got a high-powered water thing for the fucking peacocks that roam through my yard.
Peacocks.
Oh shit! We're loaded with
They don't
down
hurt.
our whole neighborhood is loaded with
The
peacocks.
Mexicans must eat them.
I don't know, but I just shoot them with the hose.
They don't hurt nothing, do they? They're the ones with big feathers.
Yeah, you ever see the claws on those things?
They're nasty.
Oh fuck!
We had.
They got on the back of Laura's car one day. I had to buff the back of it. Oh yeah. She had it parked out, not in the garage. And I walked out there and I see him walking away and I look on the back and there's like, and there's fucking nails, yeah.
Well,
I talked to the animal control people and they said, you know, no, nothing, they're okay, you know. I said, can they get fucked up if they got fucked up?
Yeah.
They said, yeah, they're not in, no, they're not protective, yeah. But the ducks are.
Yeah, the ducks.
Ducks are protective.
The ducks have a nasty shit. They're nasty.
All those ducks are fucking mean.
Maybe they can sense your anger. They've never been mean to me. A duck?
The ones over by where I used to live, what was it called? Those things were nasty.
Hey, I'd be all for the Mexicans fucking eating them.
didn't realize this thing was so long. Now we get to that pull it out.
Max has got to put it, so just leave all that, yeah, because it's a pain in the ass.
That was funny,
That's
huh?
lighter than a bicycle.
It's pretty damn light.
It is.
Oh, that's good, Johnny. That stuff will clean up nice, man. Like
Yeah.
filling and grinding.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that shit looks good.
Yeah, I did a couple, like here.
Yeah, you need some. You got some light flat ones?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I got two. I got the heavy ones to rough cut.
Yeah.
And I got two different, maybe
120 or something.
maybe 120 and or maybe 180 and 320
Oh, okay.
or 240.
Perfect. Can you?
Looks like a frame.
Do you have that figured out yet, or not?
I'm just gonna put a little tiny thin piece in there.
Oh, that's just to make a spot for the.
Yeah,
end of the motor,
yeah. I'm just
right?
gonna put a piece of sheet metal in.
Yeah,
basically.
all the mounts are back here, right?
Yeah, and I gotta make a mount for the front still,
Okay.
but and then this one it's gonna bolt in.
Yeah, there's no top mount, right?
No top mount on
Yes,
these.
that's
It's
right.
just the four.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus you want one on the
Plus, that's how it is factory.
5 points.
Yeah.
Well, I guess,
it's 4
this
points.
is one.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. I guess. Yeah. I mean, you probably don't need it, but I figure since it's aluminum.
It's decorative.
I
Yeah.
thought about doing a top one even.
Yeah.
Off of the valve cover has a breather,
Okay.
just to extra strength. Probably not, but it might look. If there's room and it would look cool, I might just do it.
Yeah.
So I just got to cut that little bottom dick off of the that's hanging underneath.
Yeah. Surprised I didn't do that right away.
All right, guys, we got the frame out of the fixture. I'm just going to go ahead and do our first round of cleanup on all these welds, blend everything down, and then we'll be ready to start doing the mock-up of the bike. We still got lots of welding to do on here, obviously, mount fenders, tank, all kinds of stuff, but all the main frame welding is sufficient to continue on with the mock-up, and then it'll all get obviously gone over and touched up on the finish welding once all the mock-up is done.
And the shovel head's over there, John, or the other?
No.
Oh, it's here?
Yeah, the frame's in the office. Everybody, quick interruption in the video here. Just wanted to mention,
our channel is growing. It's a slow but steady growth, and I really appreciate everybody who takes the time to watch us. I do notice that about 75 to 76% of our views come from non-subscribers. So if you enjoy what we're doing, click that subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. It helps support the channel, lets us know that we're headed in the right direction, doing the stuff that people are enjoying. And if you are doing that, please subscribe. Leave us a comment. Let us know what we're doing right. Let us know what we're doing wrong. We want to improve constantly and put out the best content that everyone will enjoy. So sorry for the interruption. Appreciate you guys, and back to the video. Alright guys, just wanted to go over our little expenditures like we've been doing on this bike. No parts or anything this week, just labor. So 4 hours of welding and begin and blend the frame and all that. It's $140 an hour, $560 plus about, I don't know, probably $35 worth of materials as far as flap wheels and weld and wire, you know, consumables and stuff. So that brings our grand total so far to $15,789.72 for those of you who are keeping track. And that's going to be a wrap for today. Actually really happy with what we got done. I wasn't sure if I would even get the frame out of the jig, but to have it out of the jig and have the vast majority of the finish blending ready and done so that we can start mocking this thing up is pretty exciting. So when we get back to this the next time, we should be starting to put a roller together. Front end is all assembled and ready to go on. So that'll probably be the first thing we do. We'll get the front end on the frame and start looking at finalizing our motor mounts. We got still one, possibly two motor mounts to make, so we'll have to put the mock-up motor back in there. I'll probably slap a tranny output shaft in the mock-up motor so we can align our rear wheel. And then we've got all of our bike fab stuff to do. Fender struts, tank mount. We got to figure out handlebars. We got to figure out foot controls. We got lots to do still. But anyway, pretty pumped with what we got done today. And that is it. Please don't forget to check out our website. We are constantly adding new products. I have about 8 or 10 things we put up just this last week. We have a bunch of stuff out to manufacture right now. So lots of cool stuff there. GattisGarage.BigCartel.com. Please check it out. And don't forget, we also do one-off parts. So if you're working on a project and you're stalled, can't find what you need, reach out to us and we'll do what we can to make it happen and get your part made for you. So, as always, appreciate you guys and hope to see you next time at Gattis Garage.